Piece of sport, piece of stats. How are you, sir?
I'm all good, man. How are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you. Ighodaro, what do you make of him at Kaizer Chiefs? What have you worked out on him?
I think it's a good signing, Ma. It's a positive signing for Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, this is a player that was signed by Mamelodi Sundowns back in 2021 from Abuja College in Nigeria. He was just 20 years old at the time. He was loaned out. For the past 4 seasons, he's been loaned out each time. I mean, he was loaned out to Pretoria University in the NFD. In his first season here in South Africa, he got loaned out to Chippa United in the top flight. The next season, where he scored 10 league goals for Chippa United in the 22-23 season. So that was a good return for him. And then the next season again, Sundowns loaned him out to a SuperSport United, where he got 8 goals and 2 assists there. And then last season, he was loaned out to an Amazulu, where he got 6 goals in all competitions for Amazulu last season. So a player that has played in the South African League for a couple of seasons now, that makes up 25 goals and 4 assists in 97 top-flight appearances in the South African League. The interesting thing here will be how he gets blooded into a Kaizer Chiefs side, which traditionally doesn't really play a lot of crosses into the box. If you look at their wingers, Elilepo likes to cut inside and shoot. Umfundo Vilakazi also cuts inside and shoots. So probably it will be left to probably the full-backs, which is Ushinga and Umonyane, to get the crosses in, because in the air, he's very powerful. He's got a strong build. He's got some good elevation to him, so he can get them some goals in the box for Kaizer Chiefs. And he's still young. He's only 24 years old. So at least it's a player now that has got some league experience, hasn't been here for the past 4 years, and that's a good addition for Kaizer Chiefs moving forward.
So he signs for Mamelodi Sundowns, never kicks a ball for Mamelodi Sundowns, gets loaned out, and then finally set free by Sundowns, never having kicked a single ball for Sundowns.
Yes. He's played all his football on the loan spells that he's gotten.
Biso Sport, I appreciate you. See you on Friday.
Always a pleasure. So I'll see you on Friday.
Follow him. It's Biso Sport. That's BISO Sport across social media. First 11 Sports as well is